In order to get your subconscious mind to accept your intention, your conscious mind must agree with it. You must make it an undoubtedly fact that it's real and true to you. No wavering, no faltering. Live in that intention. If I say I'm a millionaire and I want my subconscious mind to pick up on it, well then, I must make my conscious mind know that truth. I can't do a ritual to be a millionaire and then the next sentence out my mouth when talking to my homeboy is, I can't go out tonight. I'm broke. A better statement would be, can't do it tonight. I'm flying out to Tokyo in the morning. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. And not saying fake, but really be that intention. Act like it's happening now. It's here, right now. Put your conscious mind on the being principle that you are.